Beginner Tai Chi Workout Plan. Tai Chi is a slow, controlled form of movement that improves balance, flexibility, breathing, posture, and relaxation. This beginner plan focuses on simple foundational movements you can practice at home.
This is a workout with 10 beginner Tai Chi exercises. Let's begin.
Commencement form. Improves posture. Calms breathing. Centers focus. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Let arms hang naturally at your sides. Slowly inhale and raise both arms to shoulder height. Keep elbows relaxed and palms facing downward. Exhale slowly while lowering arms back down. Repeat for 30 seconds.
Two, wave hands like clouds. A flowing side-to-side movement enhances coordination, improves balance, relaxes shoulders. Stand with knees slightly bent. Shift weight to the right foot. Move your right hand across chest level. Lower left hand near waist. Step sideways to the left. Switch hand positions in a circular motion. Continue slowly side to side. Repeat for 30 seconds.
Three, parting the wild horse's mane. A gentle forward stepping exercise. Strengthens legs, builds coordination, improves posture. Start with feet together. Step forward diagonally with your left foot. Move left hand upward, chest high. Push right hand downward near hip. Shift weight onto the front leg. Repeat on the opposite side. Repeat for 30 seconds. Four, brush knee and push. A classic beginner Tai Chi motion. Improves coordination, develops body control, encourages smooth movement. Step forward slowly. One hand brushes past the knee. Opposite hand pushes forward at chest height. Shift body weight smoothly forward. Keep shoulders relaxed. Alternate sides. Repeat for 30 seconds.
5. Golden rooster stands on one leg. A balance building exercise. Builds balance, strengthens core muscles, improves stability. Stand tall with hands relaxed. Slowly lift the right knee. Raise the opposite hand upward and lower slowly. Repeat while alternating sides. Repeat for 30 seconds. Six. Repulse monkey. A backward stepping movement. Improves coordination, builds leg strength, enhances body awareness. Step backward with one foot. Push one hand backward gently. Bring the opposite hand near the chest. Shift weight carefully. Repeat while alternating sides. Repeat for 30 seconds. Seven. Grasp the bird's tail. A combination movement. Teaches movement flow. Improves upper body coordination. Encourages relaxation. Step forward gently. Use one arm to ward off outward. Pull back slightly. Push forward slowly with both hands. Keep movements flowing continuously. Repeat for 30 seconds. Eight. Snake creeps down. A flexibility and leg strength exercise. Increases flexibility, strengthens legs, improves mobility. Step sideways into a wider stance. Bend one knee slowly. Lower body carefully. Extend one hand outward. Rise slowly back to standing. Repeat for 30 seconds. Nine. Fair lady works the shuttles. A diagonal movement pattern. Improves coordination. Builds body control. Enhances focus. Step diagonally forward. One hand rises near face level. The other hand pushes forward. Shift weight smoothly. Repeat in alternating directions. Repeat for 30 seconds. Closing form. The ending movement for relaxation. Lowers stress, helps recovery, promotes calmness. Return feet shoulder width apart. Lower hands slowly to sides. Take deep breaths. Relax shoulders and jaw. Stand quietly for 30 seconds.
Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Informational Health, Body and Relationship. Thanks for watching.